Welcome to YouTube and get ready to witness something truly unexpected, because today we are talking about the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Revealed, a concept that completely redefines luxury travel on wheels. When you hear the name Cadillac, you think of elegance, power, and premium comfort, and this motorhome takes that legacy to an entirely new level. This is not just a vehicle, it is a moving luxury suite designed for those who want the road to feel like home, and the destination to feel secondary. From the very first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome commands attention with its bold, futuristic exterior. The iconic Cadillac design language is clearly visible, with a wide front fascia, signature LED lighting, and a sleek, aerodynamic body that looks more like a luxury yacht than a traditional RV. Every line feels intentional, designed to reduce drag while maximizing visual impact. This motorhome is built to turn heads whether it is cruising down the highway or parked at a high-end resort. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The interior is all about space, light, and premium materials. Soft leather seating, real wood accents, brushed metal details, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels closer to a five-star hotel suite than a motorhome. Large panoramic windows surround the cabin, allowing natural light to flood in and offering breathtaking views wherever you travel. Cadillac's focus on comfort is obvious in every detail, from the ergonomic seating to the intelligent layout that makes long journeys feel effortless. Technology plays a massive role in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A massive digital cockpit integrates navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and smart home-style features into one seamless system. Voice commands, touch controls, and AI-assisted driving features make operating this motorhome surprisingly simple. Advanced driver assistance systems help with lane control, adaptive cruise, parking, and even highway autopilot-style driving, reducing fatigue on long trips. Under the hood, Cadillac is expected to push innovation further, possibly with a hybrid or fully electric powertrain. This means powerful performance combined with smooth, quiet operation and improved efficiency. The ride quality is refined, thanks to adaptive suspension technology that adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring a smooth and stable journey no matter where the road leads. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. A fully equipped luxury kitchen, a spacious lounge, a private bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom transform travel into a first-class experience. Smart climate control, premium sound systems, and hidden storage solutions make life on the road feel effortless and organized. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just about travel, it is about a lifestyle. It represents freedom, luxury, and innovation all in one package. This is Cadillac's vision of the future of road travel, where comfort meets cutting-edge technology, and every journey becomes unforgettable. If this is a glimpse of what's coming next, the future of motorhomes has never looked this exciting.